We'll guide you through how to erase and factory reset a MacBook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and do this, perhaps you're giving it away or you just want a fresh start. Just remember, everything will be lost, so consider backing up any files you want to keep. You could go and put them onto an external drive perhaps. When you're ready to get started though, come to the bottom and open up System Settings. Then what you need to do is come over to the left and scroll down and select General. In General, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for Transfer or Reset at the bottom. You can go and tap there. Here, you'll go and see the option Erase All Content and Settings. So if you're sure you want to do this, you can go and click here like so. You'll then need to go and enter in your password. And it will say all settings, media and data for all volumes on this Mac will be erased. The following items will also be removed. So if you're sure, you can press continue and go through with the process and you'll be guided through. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.